Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on the Z06 again. We'll be lowering it with the OEM lowering bolts. Hopefully it'll take us down about an inch. Get rid of this monster truck gap that it has going on. We went ahead and pulled the car in, jacked it up, and took the wheel off. We put a jack stand on the leaf spring itself to go ahead and loosen tension on the suspension, so we just dropped the car a little bit, this raised up. We went ahead and also found the lowering bolts. We'll go ahead and show you guys that now. That's what we'll actually be turning to raise and lower the car. The lowering bolts are located at the end of the leaf springs. That's what we'll be turning to go ahead and lower the car. We went ahead and marked the bolt, that way we know how many turns we've gone. It's going to be counterclockwise for down, clockwise for up. So this Z06 actually has ZR1 wheels, which are bigger than the OEM ones. We noticed some scrape marks here from the tire, so we're a little worried about going too low. We went down 3 turns, we'll do the other side, take it around the block, see how it looks. Alright, bit of a change of scenery, but we're all done with the front. We're going to flip the car around, get started on the rear. Alright, working on the back now. We went ahead and jacked it up. It's the exact same setup as in the front. We'll go ahead and put the jack stand on the leaf spring, lower the car down, and we're going to turn it all the way. Here's a lowering bolt on the back. It's in the same place. Same thing. Rotate it counterclockwise to bring the car down. We're all done lowering the Z06. We actually ended up going all the way down, all the way around. And surprisingly, it made a pretty big difference. At first it was not very substantial, but after driving around the block, it definitely settled nicely. If you guys liked, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more like it, go ahead and subscribe. Any questions, make sure you leave them down below. We'll make sure to answer for you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.